Welcome back everyone to my weekly AI news update where I pick a couple of headlines and try to make this tech-heavy topic of AI as cuddly as a kitten by breaking down the big stuff without the tech jargon. So how about we dive straight into it? First up, we see that Microsoft has a new trick up its sleeve this week as well. They're hard at it, you know that, right? So they've launched something called Intelligent Recap for their Teams meeting app. Teams is basically a communication app, and it's similar to Slack, also with a heavy focus on video conferences and all that good jazz. So imagine this: instead of scrambling to jot down notes during a meeting, this clever tool, meaning the Intelligent Recap function, it takes down notes during your meeting for you. It even picks out the important tasks and highlights of the conversation, so you can really focus on the conversation itself and not on your notepad trying to record everything. And the best part about it, you may not have to attend as many meetings because you can instead just get a summary as a printout. Now that's a win-win. I know there are similar apps and platforms for like Fireflies. I personally have used Otter AI, but it's nice to see that Microsoft is integrating this technology right into its native app. Next up, we have AutoCode Pro. Now, this might sound a bit techy, but stick with me, okay? AutoCode Pro is like a translator. You give it some ideas and it turns them into a computer code for you. It's like having your very own coding wizard sitting with you at the table. Even if you don't know the first thing about programming, you might actually get somewhere with this tool. They're currently starting off with something called Text to Chrome extension, where I assume you can actually use it to create your very own browser plugin for Chrome, but soon they'll be able to help you with building web and mobile applications as well. Pretty cool, right? And now let's jet over to Japan, where they have made a bold move when it comes to the world of AI. They have decided that AI can use any data it wants without worrying about copyright. This means that AI companies can use all sorts of information to train their systems. But obviously not everybody is happy, especially artists, and especially those in anime and graphic arts are worried about what this means for their work and for their IP. It's a tricky balance, but I think Japan is hoping it will give them a boost when it comes to the global AI race. And let's be honest, Japan kind of needs it right now. And finally, we have some big news from BenchSci. They have successfully raised a whopping $95 million for their AI drug discovery platform called Ascend. Now, in simple terms, Ascend is like a super smart assistant for scientists. The platform helps them to make connections, avoid dead ends, and spot potential problems in their research early on. This could mean faster, more efficient drug discovery, and that's good news for all of us. And that's a wrap for this week's AI news update. Let me know what caught your attention this week in the world of AI, and remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get excited about these inventions. In my experience, I think you just need to be passionate about the developments because it's evolving so fast. So everybody's kind of new to it, let's be honest. However, these tools are shaping our world one code at a time. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.